is a general-purpose programming language that was developed as an extension of the C programming language. It was created to provide additional features while retaining the efficiency and low-level capabilities of C. C++ is widely used in developing system application software, game development, embedded systems, and various high-performance applications. Advantages of C++: 1. Performance. 2. Versatility. 3. Object-oriented programming (OOP) features. 4. Standard template library (STL). 5. Control. 6. Compatibility with C. 7. Large community and resources. Disadvantages of C: 1. Complexity. 2. Memory management. 3. Verbosity. 4. Lack of garbage collection. 5. Compilation time. 6. Platform dependency. 7. Safety concerns. C++ works by converting human-readable code into machine-readable instructions that a computer can execute. Here's a basic overview of how C++ works. 1. Writing code. 2. Compilation. 3. Preprocessing. 4. Compilation. 5. Linking. 6. Execution. 7. Output. 8. Termination. C++ is often considered easy to use for several reasons, though it's worth noting that ease of use can vary depending on individual perspectives and prior programming experience. Here are some reasons why C++ can be considered relatively easy to use. 1. Familiar syntax. 2. Abstraction levels. 3. Vast resources and documentation. 4. Standard library support. 5. Platform independence. 6. Community support. 7. Performance. 8. Compatibility with C. While C++ can be relatively easy to use for many developers, it's essential to recognize that mastering any programming language requires time, practice, and continuous learning. Beginners may encounter challenges initially, but with perseverance and the right resources, they can become proficient C++ programmers. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for next video.